So today we'll continue with exercise 2.4. The last two questions were left. So question number 4 of 2.4 says there's a polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35, and two zeros are already given to us, that is 2 plus minus root 3. Okay, we did a similar question in the previous exercise also. Now, how are they two zeros? 2 plus minus root 3 are two zeros because there is a positive as well as a negative case here. So that means the positive case is 1 0, that is alpha, and the negative case is our other 0, that is beta. Okay, so alpha and beta, these are our two zeros. So if you have done exercise 2.3, this is no different. This question was there in 2.3 also, but this is in a different format, that's all. So first we use this quadratic polynomial equation. When we have the zeros, how can we get the quadratic polynomial? We will use the formula x square minus sum of the zeros outside the bracket x plus product of zeros. So x square minus sum of the zeros. Now sum of the zeros means you will add these two. So 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 will add, plus root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled, and 2 and 2, 4. Okay, so we get x square minus 4x. And the product is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. This is the product of the zeros, and this is an identity. Which identity is this? This is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So this will become 2 square minus root 3 square, 4 minus 3 is 1. So we get a quadratic polynomial x square minus 4x plus 1. Now once we get the quadratic polynomial, the next task is to divide the polynomial that was given to us by this quadratic polynomial we have got. Okay, so we're going to divide this. So the division process, same as what we did last time. So x square will go how many times in x to the power 4? X square will go x square times. So x square into x square is x to the power 4. The same term have to be there. Minus 4x into x square, we get minus 4x cube. I'm going to write below minus x cube here. 1 into x square is positive x square. And then we change the signs. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. Okay, so plus is minus here. So this gets cancelled. This becomes minus 2x cube. Minus 26 and minus 1 x square is minus 27x square. Plus 138x and minus 35 as it is from here. The next step, you have to multiply x square with which term so that you get minus 2x cube. So x square needs to be multiplied with minus 2x so that x square into minus 2x, you will get the term minus 2x cube. So x square into minus 2x is minus 2x cube. Then you will multiply minus 4x with minus 2x, you will get positive 8x square. Plus 1 into minus 2x, you will get minus 2x. And then again change the sign, this is getting cancelled. Minus 27 and minus 8, this is minus 35x square. 138 and 2, 140x minus 35 as it is. And then the last step, this is minus 35x square. So what we need to do is multiply x square with minus 35. So you get minus 35x square. Minus 4 into minus 35, you get 140, positive 140x. And finally, plus 1 into minus 35, minus 35. And then we'll change the sign here. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and minus becomes plus. Everything gets cancelled and the remainder is 0. I told you before also, when we are doing these type of questions, the remainder has to be 0. If it is not coming 0, that means your division is wrong. And I hope you did that solved example I told you. There is a similar solved example also. Two zeros are given to find out the other two zeros. Then the last step comes, the quotient is this, x square minus 2x minus 35. You will factorize this by splitting the middle term. So factors will be minus 7 and plus 5. So minus 7x plus 5x. Then x common x minus 7, 5 common x minus 7, factors x minus 7 and x plus 5. So equating it to 0, we get the other zeros as 7 and negative 5. So we get the other zeros 7 and minus 5. So two zeros were given, we have found out the other two zeros. So this is an important question and normally asked in the exams and comes for 4 marks. So please try to watch the video and try to do it on your own, or you could also take a pencil and paper and try it along with me. That will be easier for you to solve then.